Students, in today's class we are going to discuss the word problems on the division of rational numbers. So, I am doing question number 5 of exercise 1E. Let's start. The product of two rational numbers is minus 16 by 9. If one of the numbers is minus 4 by 3, find the other. So students, in such type of question, we assume let the other number be x. Then according to the question, minus 4 by 3 into x is equal to minus 16 by 9. Okay. And now students, solving this equation, minus 4 by 3 is multiplier here. When this minus 4 by 3 will move to right hand side, it will become divisor. So x is equal to minus 16 by 9 divided by minus 4 by 3. Now students, solving this equation, minus 16 by 9 into 3 upon minus 4 cancelling it out, 4 just 16, and this minus and minus plus. So answer is 4 by 3. The value of x is 4 by 3, hence the other number is 4 by 3. Now students, let's move to question number 8. By what number should minus 33 by 8 be divided to get minus 11 by 2? Okay. So in this question, we will assume let minus 33 by 8 be divided by x to get minus 11 by 2. Then minus 33 by 8 divided by x is equal to minus 11 by 2. Here we can see that x is divisor here. In left hand side, x is divisor. So when it will move to right hand side, it will change into multiplier. Let's solve. Whenever you are solving the equation, use this sign. This is called implied to sign. Into x. Now we can see that in right hand side, minus 11 by 2 is multiplier. So when it will move to left hand side, it will change to divisor. Is equal to x. Now we can solve this part. Minus 33 by 8 into, here it will become minus 2 upon 11 is equal to x, cancelling 4 times and this 3 times, and so the value of x is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore minus 33 by 8 should be divided by 3 by 4 to get minus 11 by 2. Okay students. Students, there is one more method to solve this equation. Let's see. Minus 33 by 8, this will be into 1 upon x is equal to minus 11 upon 2. Now students, it will become equal to minus 33 upon 8x equal to minus 11 upon 2. From here we can do cross multiply. That is minus 33 into 2 is equal to minus 11 into 8x. Okay, cross multiplication. From here it will become minus 66 and this is minus 88x. Now x is equal to minus 66 upon minus 88, cancelling negative signs, it will become equal to 3 upon 4. So in this way you can also solve the equation. Now in next question, students, you have to divide the sum of 65 upon 12 and 8 by 3 by their difference. So first of all you have to find the sum of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3, okay. Then you have to find their difference, okay, and then you have to divide sum by difference, okay, sum by difference. Let's start. Sum of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3 is equal to 65 upon 12 plus 8 by 3. LCM of 12 and 3 is 12, okay. 65 plus 3 into 4. We will multiply 4 to the 3 to get 12. Now this 4 will be multiplied to numerator also. So it will become equal to 8 into 4. 65 plus 8 4 ja 32 upon 12. It will become equal to 97 upon 12. Okay. Now difference of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3 is equal to 65 upon 12 minus 8 by 3. Again the LCM of 12 and 3 is 12. Now 65 minus 3 into 4, and this 4 will be multiplied to 8 also. So 8 into 4. 65 minus 8 4 are 32 upon 12, and this is 33 upon 12. Now according to question, sum upon difference, okay, we have to divide the sum of 65 upon 12 and 8 by 3 by their difference. So sum of 65 upon 12 and 8 by 3 upon difference of 65 upon 12 and 8 by 3 is equal to 97 upon 12 divided by 33 upon 12. 97 upon 12 into 12 upon 33, cancel. 97 upon 33 is our answer. Now students, let's move to question number 11, fill in the blanks. I am taking part 1 and part 2, okay. So part 1, 9 by 8 divided by fill in the blanks is equal to minus 3 by 2. So how we are going to solve it? Let the missing number be x. Then 9 by 8 divided by x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now we can write it as 9 by 8 into 1 upon x is equal to minus 3 upon 2. We know that we have to multiply the multiplicative inverse of divisor to the dividend. Now here 9 upon 8x equal to minus 3 upon 2. From here we can do the cross multiplication. 9 2s are 18 and 8x into minus 3, it will give us minus 24 x. From here x is equal to 18 upon minus 24. On simplifying we will get 3 upon minus 4 or minus 3 upon 4. Okay, so it is our required missing number x. Okay, now let's move to second question. Here blank is in the beginning. ठीक है, blank divided by minus 7 by 5 is equal to 10 upon 19. So same procedure, let the missing number be x, then x divided by minus 7 upon 5 is equal to 10 upon 19. Now x into 5 upon minus 7 is equal to 10 upon 19. From here 5x upon 7 is equal to 10 upon 19. We can do cross multiplication. 5x into 19 is equal to minus 7 into 10. 5x into 19 is equal to 95x is equal to minus 70. X is equal to minus 70 upon 95, and if we will simplify we will get minus 14 upon 19. So our missing number is minus 14 upon 19.